Right 1. Right 2.
Shit.
Punch in. Right 2. Left 1. Right 2. Left 1. Damn. Woo!
Well, I didn't touch that one.
Left 1. Clean.
Damn. Oh, shit.
Watch out, the motorcycle, dude.
You got it on video, huh?
Fucking crazy. Not a good spot to stop.
No, we could have hit him.
Yeah. Left 1. Left 1. Right 2. Left 1. Dude, these fucking puddles. Right 1.
Fuck.
Left 2. Damn. Gonna test my iPad now.
I'm fucking cooled off.
Left 1. Left 2. Left 2. Right 2. Left 3.
Fuck. I think I'm fogging up.
Yeah. Right 3.
I may need those glasses here in a second. Because is the pumper on?
Yeah, I think so.
It might just fog the fuck up. It must just be because I'm wet.
Yeah, I think me too. Let me see. No, the pumper shut off. Fuck.
I wonder if they took our advice and did the liquid tape. Did we even look at that?
No, they didn't. I'm sure.
Of course they did. Shit, I don't know. So I can't see you very well, but I still think a fogged visor is going to be better than having my visor open.
Yeah, for sure.
Gonna have to really take our time right now.
Yeah.
I'm just happy we're still moving.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Another cool.
I can't see anything.
Well, what I can see looks cool. Oh, well, look at you. You're really going to see something now. Oh, man.
I was pouring up here.
Where are they going to be at? I wonder if I could do a helmet swap. Where are we going to see them next? Uh-oh, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I can't see anything. I'm all fogged up. Woo!
What a fucking trip, bro.
Yeah, dude, this is crazy.
Oh, man.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Left 2.
Oh, man.
Man,
This is a deep one.
yeah.
Holy shit.
Right 2.
Uh-oh. Here we go. Yeah.
The board. Oh, man. Oh shit!
Oh yeah. That one got under my armpit.
Oh shit! Something's up. Oh shit!
There we go.
I can't see the iPad.
Ooh, I closed my helmet just in time. Oh, don't worry, I'm only going as fast as I can.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, well, it's all straight ahead. It's 3 deep puddles. 1.
Oh. Hell yeah!
We made it.
Yeah.
That first one really slowed us down.
It cleared my helmet.
Yeah, man!
Good job, dude. Dude, this is crazy.
I'm fucking Mudbox Pro. White trash.
Yeah.
Second generation.
Left 2.
Alright. Yeah.
Right 1. Tell me if you see anything that I don't.